hockey stick nature hunters here. Patrick, tell them what's happening. No? Oh, we caught
Not yet.
a big minnow, right?
You want a drink?
And it looked like it might be pregnant.
Look in the snack bag.
And
Open the snack bag.
if you can see, there's tiny
red-eyed fish.
Yep, little baby fish. They keep coming out of her belly. How many do we count now?
Oh, one just came out.
Oh.
One popped out.
Yep. No, friends, if you can see down there.
Oh, there are down there. They're definitely down there. You see the big one? And the other small ones? They're like,
One of them.
oh, baby,
count
baby, baby.
1, 2, 3 on the bottom,
What?
and 2 on the top. What's that make?
Cow.
Those tiny ones. 5?
I think so.
And then we have 5 minnows, and one of them is pregnant, spitting out baby minnows as we speak.
Take it down or give it to your brother.
Oh, the lake.
You guys are being very good about this.
Yeah, friends, if you hear that song, that's the famous Mr. Softy selling ice cream to the children in the neighborhood.
Hey, come back here fast.
Oh, don't bother the pregnant one. She's having the babies.
I'm trying to get the little guys.
Leave them alone. Leave 'em
Hey.
alone. You're scaring her.
No.
Here you go. It's not a real worm. It's a gummy worm, right?
Oh, dinosaur.
Gummy
That
worm.
is snowy.
It's yummy, said the brother.
Oh, no.
Right there. Right there.
Okay.